Become the professional makeup artist you've dreamt of. At the G Skin and Beauty Institute, we will teach you techniques such as moisturizing benefits, foundation matching, contour placement, blush and bronzer techniques, lip colors, eyelash applications, and much more. Selecting the right foundation tone will be essential to have the perfect canvas. Once the skin looks even and glowy, you know you're ready for the next step. Filling the eyebrows with the proper shade will frame your face and strengthen your makeup. Create healthy-looking skin by applying blush and bronzer, blending it with your natural skin tone. It is important to learn face shapes, as placing contour varies from client to client. The colors you select for the eyeshadow sets the mood for the overall look. Don't forget, blending is key. Eyelash application can be tricky, but learning the technique is crucial in today's industry. Complete the look by prepping, lining, and adding a pop of color. Lock it all in with a setting spray for a full day of glam. For more information, contact our G Beauty team advisors today, who will help you follow your passion, set your personal goals, and turn your dreams into reality.